Atoms are rarely loners. They're constantly seeking stability, a state of lower energy, and they achieve this by forming connections. This process, chemical bonding, is the invisible architecture holding our entire world together, from the water you drink to the air you breathe. Think of it like a negotiation over electrons. In an ionic bond, the negotiation is a clean transfer. One atom, usually a metal, gives away an electron, and another, a nonmetal, takes it. They become oppositely charged ions, drawn together by electrostatic attraction. Table salt is a classic example of this atomic give and take. But sometimes atoms prefer to share. This is a covalent bond. Here, atoms share pairs of electrons to feel complete. This sharing isn't always fair, though. The deciding factor is electronegativity, an atom's fundamental ability to pull electrons towards itself. When two atoms have a huge difference in this pulling power, an ionic transfer is almost guaranteed. But with a smaller difference, they form a covalent bond. If one atom pulls just a little harder than the other, the sharing becomes unequal. We call this a polar covalent bond. In hydrogen chloride, for instance, the more electronegative chlorine atom pulls the shared electrons closer, gaining a slight negative charge, while hydrogen is left slightly positive. Chemists map these arrangements with diagrams called Lewis structures, often guided by the octet rule, the tendency for atoms to want 8 electrons in their outer shell. Understanding this fundamental dance of atoms isn't just academic. It's the key to designing new medicines, creating advanced materials, and solving critical environmental challenges. It's the universal language of how matter is built.